this year, but I've done many other productions like The River, The Estate, didn't because I've been acting for 24 years. So when I got an opportunity to produce my own production, I decided to produce a show about Mama Ruth because I feel like the struggle icons ta rona or just rona the icons ta rona as Batswana. It's like more history ya rona ya liberation ya South Africa. We were mostly about the Xhosa people and the Zulu people. In like Batswana bone re magwala ga ra dira sepo gore be re fitlhe mo liberation in your country ya rona. So I also come from a family e leng gore ke Bakwadi. My grandfather in JM Lekgetho published a book in 1949 So I felt because Khoi struggling for so many years I felt I must take it upon myself as a Tswana woman to tell these stories about Tswana. Otherwise, it's on TV. I'm sure I'm one of the very few actors by TV. And there are no productions to Setswana, there are no stories to Setswana. So after giving birth to my son 2 years ago, I felt how important to bana ba rona ba itse culture ya rona ba itse gore rona as Batswana re tla go kae, who are we, our icons, and re ba celebrate before ha ile gore ba teng ba sentse ba tshela re ba fe di flowers tsa bona while they're still alive. Those who are gone, let us continue to tell their stories so their stories can live on longer than us. Wa bona ba golo. So that's why I felt it's important to tell stories of Mama Ruth because she contributed so much. She stayed in exile for 27 years. It's the same amount of years that Nelson Mandela went to prison for. But then she's not celebrated the same way. I don't know if it's because she's a woman or it's because she's Tswana or what. But I feel the upcoming generation, it's our opportunity and to make sure that Setswana our icons continue to be celebrated as much as they deserve to be. Yes. So that's all. I Am Ruth is a one-woman hander, acting, and then there's a production. There's a percussionist, a dancer, Kimberly. There's also they play indigenous music. Project, but there's no white cloth. Maybe the production, so that you can be able to see a little bit what we've done. Oh, there's a white wall. Yeah, we'll see if it but then I bought the production so you can be able to critique, and because I really need criticism, so the story can be told properly. According to the information and on the internet. But then I know information will actually help the production become better. So that these stories are told in a proper way, in our way. So I'm America, but language, So yeah, you can support Luna going forward, and thank you so much to Dr. Ruth Segomotsi Mompati Foundation for supporting this production. Thank you so much.